What's up guys, it's Flatbricks here with another video. This is a review on the LEGO City Tractor. This set has 144 pieces. It's ages 5 and up. So let's get into it. First, let's get into the minifigures. We have this little girl that comes with it. And then we have the farmer. There's overalls. And then it comes with a bunny. And it comes with these 2 crates. And it comes with a pumpkin and a basket. And then apple and 2 carrots. So yeah, now I'll show you guys the tractor. The tractor is a good build in my opinion. You can put a minifigure in here. In this case, you can put your farmer in there to drive the tractor. And it can move really easy. This thing, hold on, just ripped it off. Alright. This can go up and down, like it's dumping something. And then it can go up and down, which is pretty cool. And on the back, you can hitch something to it, right there. So, yeah, that's it for today's video. Please remember to subscribe and like the video. Bye, guys.